Kind-hearted organizations reach flood victims with essentials materials. Managing Director of Karbi Anglong Life and the Gorkha Express observes International Father's Day. KSYC conduct elections, Sanjay Timung elected new president. Gorkha Community demands for appointing Bhim Bahadur Lama as nominated MAC. Hello, you are watching Karbi Anglong Live, Voice of Karbi Anglong. This is English Prime Time with Mirina Hansepi, and now the news in details. 4 kind-hearted organizations from district head on Sunday reached the poor flood victims and provided essentials commodities. Here is a report. The group of organizations including Karbi Students Association, Chamber of Commerce, Labor Union and Legal Forum distributed materials like drinking water, rice, vegetable, cooking oil and other commodities. The group had visited several relief camps and temporary shelters made by the flood victims in Andar Bitung Rengthama and Rongkhang MAC constituencies. They talked to the affected people to know more about their problems and assured to return with more help possible from their capacity. It may be mentioned that many villages in lower areas of Bitung Rengthama and Rongkhang MAC constituencies have been inundated by flood water. People have been forced to move out of their houses to seek for higher land.
Nilum cengpon lo Bitung awar lo apen ako damchulo Rongkhang awar penan thekdam long si Bitung Rongkhang lapen la lang ke thekang lumpan same Bitung lang ke juna lang bisuko lang ke juna lang si ko sto lo ke juna lang ka vi pen lapen la kicho hormu petani sang pu same alu same lapen inti same tum lahai pensil tum pipa jodam lo tum ka.
Meanwhile, the Jirsong Asong Depot, with the support from NEDSSS Guwahati, had also taken up relief work. The team had visited the flood-affected areas of Satgaon and distributed essentials materials. The joint team had thanked Manos Unidas for needful support. They had earlier provided assistance to the flood and landslide victims of Dima Hasao district.
Cái thế bên đó đặc lang cái thế mà để lang càng lùm là Bitung Rengthama konsensi là bên Rongkhang konsensi bang penan Arab tum kisung hop bên đó nếu tum song pli là bên lang cái charap itu tum tulang marchen tum kalau itu han là asonson hormu sik dang pidun bên đó tum metha Arab tum hidup kisung tum halong subsues tamil tum kerapa di damong là bên
Wiki-based report from Dongkamukam, Karbi Anglong Live. Like other places across the globe, Father's Day was celebrated in Diphu as well to acknowledge the work and sacrifices done by a father on their family. Likewise, on the special occasions of International Father's Day, Gospel Son Kro, Managing Director of local media houses Karbi Anglong Live and the Gorkha Express, observed and celebrated International Father's Day at his residence with his family in Diphu. Father's Day was first observed in the year 1910 on June 19 by a lady named Sonora Smart to acknowledge and honor her father, William Jackson Smart, and to all the male parents who had raised their children single-handed. A father is a person who put their children first, who never let their children sleep hungry at night, who works day and night tirelessly to bring all the required essentials material for their children. A father spends throughout his life working so hard for his children that he often forgets to live his own life. Therefore, it is our utmost priority that we take care of our fathers when he turns gray and old. So on these special occasions, Gospel Son Kro, Managing Director of Karbi Anglong Live and Gorkha Express, with his family celebrated Father's Day in his residence at Rongthang Diphu. They had honored their father, Ron Singh Crow, 81 years old, by presenting gifts as a token of love. They offered prayers to God seeking blessings for the well-being of their beloved father, Ron Singh Crow. News Text Report, Karbing Long Live. The Central Committee of the Karbi Students and Youth Council, KSYC, had on Sunday conducted its general election for new president and general secretary. Here is a report. The election was conducted in the organization's head office in Dipu around 12:30 in the afternoon. Members of the CEC as well as president and secretary from its 4 regional committees came to cast their vote. In the election, Sanjay Timung was elected as president without contest. On the other hand, Jiwan Bey and Bohiram Inghi contested for the post of general secretary. After the counting of votes, Jiwan Bey was declared victorious and he will serve as the new general secretary. Both the newly elected office bearers of the organization had pledged to work with sincerity to take KSYC ahead. They said that KSYC had always stood for the cause of the society and will continue to do so, with collaboration and support from all its members and other social bodies.
Nilitum pini ladak election kapatinang kok lage nitum constitution na teng si patinang nilitum indeng po pinian indeng po anang kelilo indeng po along nitum cepate ben rang ben presiden along gen nili si thudun lo nili thudun pen nil long cepate don abang pen pen nili si pini haipon lo uncontest pen pini nitum haipon lo lasi kewanggilang hampang song dopik karbiang long along KSYC penceng lo KFA kadua betum benta nilitum kami klempon jia fansi nilitum cisik ponpo
mane cisong rapet klem nam rapet
dam rapet po
Lili long nang ci contest dun alang li hisang ho bu alang li ben buhiraming hi ase alang li phanta churo lo nilitum klem rapet dam rapet ji labang so kilik nilitum cipate po fisi dami nilitum kaya teng kaya mangasong si nilitum labang so song nilitum dothipen karbia khai ki sungalong gupi malong ke nilitum klem rapet dam rapet ji pusi alang li pen sedame nilitum ning chichor.
Sanjay Timung had earlier served as vice president while Jiwan Bey was serving in the post of AGS. News report Longsodar Inti, Karbing Long Live. The Gorkha community living under Dipu LA constituency area held a meeting yesterday at Marwari Bhavan, Dipu. The meeting was chaired by Rajesh Rai and attended by several Gorkhas, SGBs, GB and many others. Here is the reports. Before the recently held Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council elections, Assam Chief Minister had assured to appoint one person from Gorkha community as a nominated MAC. So we appeal the Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council to select Bhim Bahadur Lama, said Rajesh Rai.
भीम बहादुर लामा पुलोके त्यो সকলোৱে জানে ৰঞ্জিত লামা বুলি তো তেওঁ মানে গোৰ্খা নমিনেটেড এমএসি অটো কাউন্সিল কাৰ্বি আংলং অটোনমাস কাউন্সিলে তেওঁ মানে যাতে দিয়ে তো এইটোৱে আমাৰ
The Gorkha leaders had urged MP Horen Singh Bey, MLA Vidya Singh Ingleng and Dr. Tuliram Ronghang to accept their demand.
এবাৰ যে কাৰ্বিআংলঙৰ পৰা দিব বুলি আমি আশাবাদী কাৰণ আমাৰ CM ডক্টৰ তুলাম হেৰি হেমন্ত বিশ্ব ছাৰে কৈছে এবাৰ ধনশিৰি মেমে কৈছিলে তেখেতে সদায় যে পশ্চিম পৰা লৈ আছে এবাৰ আমি পূব পৰা দিম সেইকাৰণে আমি আমাৰ CM ছাৰ ডক্টৰ তুলাম ডাঙৰীয়া আমাৰ ডিপু বিধায়ক হীৰা সিং ডাঙৰীয়া আমাৰ MP হৰেন্দ্ৰ ডাঙৰীয়া তেখেতক আমি অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ আমি হকিয়ানি নহয় অনুৰোধ কৰি পেলাই আমি এটা সিদ্ধান্ত লৈছোঁ যে আমাৰ পূব ছাইডৰ পৰা আমাৰ ৰঞ্জিত লামা তেখেতে মেইন নাম হ'ল ভীমাদুল লামা তেখেতে আমি ছাপোৰ্ট কৰি পেলাই আজি আমাৰ গোৰ্খা হৈ আমাৰ লগত
সেইকাৰণে নাই হ'লে আমাক কৰি কিনে আমি আশা ৰাখিছোঁ সেইকাৰণে আমি আহিছোঁ ইয়াতে ছাপোৰ্ট কৰিবলৈ আহিছোঁ
News report Longsodaring T, Karbi Anglong Live. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live. Have a good day.